The team for the today is Ayush Vora, Udav Goel, Jeet Seth, and me, Amitesh Ramya. The United Nations General Assembly consists of six committees. Out of that, the fourth committee, SPECPOL, Special Political and Decolonization, was established in 1993 with accordance to General Assembly 47/2/223, and its main objective is trustship and non-self-governing territories. Now I will be discussing about the hierarchy. The secretary is Mr. Ramjan, and the vice chairperson are Mr. Estrada, Mr. Melody, Mr. Coates, and secretary is Mr. Krishna Gills, and the associate expert is Mrs. Kanzumi Kawamoto. Thank you. Now I hand over the mic to Ayush Vora.
Good afternoon, I'm Ayush and I'm going to tell you about the agendas and objectives of SPECPOL. So first, decolonization. Decolonization is the process of removing colonial rule where a nation maintains its control over dependent on weak territories. The SPECPOL has declared a resolution known as the Resolution of Decolonization, which urges that decolonization should come to a speedy and unconditional end. Then Palestinian refugees and human rights. Who is a refugee? A refugee is a person who is forced to flee from his country due to political crisis or civil wars and conflicts. During the 1948 Israeli War of Independence, around 500,000 to 750,000 Palestinians were forced to flee from their country. That was around 1948 to 1950. Presently, there are around 4 million Palestinian refugees across the globe, making it the biggest refugee crisis in the world. The UN, with special help from SPECPOL and some NGOs, are trying their best to provide these refugees with proper livelihood, healthcare, and most importantly, provide them with basic human rights. Then peacekeeping. The scale of conflict has drastically increased from over 100 years. The casualty count has increased by around 70 to 80%. There have been a total of 70 peacekeeping operations by the UN to maintain world peace and to decrease conflicts and casualties. Now I hand over the mic to G.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. Today, I, Jeet Seth, is going to talk about the other objectives of SPECPOL. So the first one is mine action. So basically, mine action is related to landmines. UN and other international organizations have decided an order to reduce the negative effects of mine actions on individuals' health, well-being, and quality of life. The second one is outer space. Since 1966, the UN has facilitated the establishment of the treaties which helps the outer space and the other underlying legal principles. These treaties and principles covers a wide area from freedom of expression to the regulation of scientific research. The next one is public information. So, public information, the UN has a Department of Public Information which is tasked for raising the public awareness, about the UN services through campaigns and media for civil society groups. The next one is atomic radiation. SPECPOL had drafted a regulation which supports the scientific committee on the effects of the atomic radiation, As the part of the General Assembly, as a committee of the General Assembly, it helps the General Assembly to know about the effects of atomic radiation and its fallout. And the last one is University for Peace. The main mission for the university is to provide humanities and help to promote among all the human beings about the tolerance and peaceful objectives. The vision and the mission of University for Peace is far good than before. Now I'll hand over the mic to Gulf.
Good afternoon. Now we'll be talking about a particular agenda, atomic radiation. In the recent years, SPECPOL has increased its attention on atomic radiation, its negative effects, and the drafting of international legislation of countries which have a history of atomic radiation, and which are capable to create. For example, in October 2015, SPECPOL approved a scientific committee for conducting a assessment and review on atomic radiation. And its main agenda was to conduct the next year medical survey on atomic radiation and exposure. And it also assesses and reviews the exposure of ionizing radiation after producing electrical energy. As a committee, it advises the General Assembly about atomic radiation and its fallout, its effects and its controls. SPECPOL needs consciousness to deal with the threat of nuclear power and the present and future effects of atomic radiation. Thank you.
I now request Ms. Vijayalakshmi Datta ma'am's entry to the backstage. The fifth committee for the day is Administrative and Budgetary Committee, the mentees of Ms. Shyam sir. Mr. Shyam sir.